Hello, hi. Can you hear me? My voice clear?
Yeah,
Alright. So how can I call you Miss Madam Kelly or Miss?
anything. You can call me Kelly instead.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Kelly. Hi. I'm Amirul.
Right.
A dietitian, a registered dietitian from Ministry of Malaysia. Basically, uh, Contours Express in collaboration with a Malaysian company
Oh,
regarding dietary. So, may I know how you subscribe for Contours Express? Contours Express, how the plan that you subscribe?
I have no idea yet because now I just try to have a group class yesterday,
All right,
and I noticed that the place is like quite far from my place. Maybe I cannot to subscribe with them
all right,
because it's not really convenient for me.
understand,
So yes, maybe I plan to join other fitness.
understand, understand. So, may I know where that you live currently, the area and
Sengkang.
Sengkang, I see. I actually working in Singapore also, but currently I'm on leave. On Basically I'm playing around area Sentosa Cove and Chinatown and Ann Siang Road. So basically the place I playing around lah. Vivo City also I playing around that place lah. So
Or you will be more focused on the CBD area, which is the central parts of Vivo, Breakfast, Anxiang Hill, Tanjong Pagar there,
yes, yes,
right?
yes. Because
Mm.
I'm private nutritionist for Indonesian Chinese, so you know it, right? Sentosa Cove, many Indonesian foreigners, so I working personally with them as nutritionist, health consultant. But I take my job also part time with the Malaysian company, so they are collaboration with Contours. So my pleasure to being able in Singapore. I really love it working there. Always speaking in English instead of Malay. My good experience.
From Indonesia?
What?
Are you from Indonesia or
I from
Malaysia?
Malaysia, but I'm working for a Indonesian Chinese. He's PR in Singapore, so he's living in Sentosa Cove. So I will alongside him, notching how to have the best lifestyle, healthier lifestyle. So basically like that lah. So
I see.
I know Kelly, how old are you? May I know it? And how about your weight currently?
About 67
All right,
and in 39 years old this year.
all right.
Yeah. So the height is about 166,
166 and your weight 69. 67
67.9.
actually. So meaning in terms of BMI actually normal, right?
About 24 something, but the body fat is quite high, it's about 30%.
I see, I
Mm.
see. So how your highest weight throughout your life? How which the highest point that you have been?
I think maybe 80s,
I see.
and I try to lose weight until about 63 or 62 this year around March.
Mhm.
But then because I sprained my ankle, I discontinue for my exercise, and then because of the stress, I have not controlled my diet. That's why I bit bounce back. But now I wanted to control back my diet and also back to slowly back to my exercise. Although my ankle still pain.
All right.
Mm.
So how have been you? exercise, how the routine, have you have the knowledge before, how for how long have you been
Okay, I go
regular exercise?
to outdoor jogging at home and brisk walk at the park and also doing yoga. But I would like to find a strength training
I see.
so that it can build my muscle and to improve my strength as well.
Hmm. I
That
see.
is the purpose that why I joined for the Contours Express.
Hmm.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
see. Uh, the exercise, for how long have you been? How many years you start has the intention doing the exercise since for
Last year,
last year? I see. All right, all right. So currently you are 39.
yes,
May I know how about your weight during 20 something, your age? During 20 something, how the weight?
20 something. Mm, I all the time I consider it's quite heavy. Yeah,
I
it
see.
should be about 70. Yeah,
I
mm,
see. So meaning
yeah, yeah.
currently quiet already lost weight, right?
Yes, it's a bit bounce back. It's not the ideal weight that I want. Yeah.
Understand, understand. So
Mm,
and then in terms of medical diagnosis, is there any diagnosis or currently healthy?
yeah, healthy.
All right. So have you done any blood blood
Blood test.
blood test before?
Yes,
That's good.
yeah.
How the frequency usually you did it?
Annual.
I see. In terms of the blood glucose, the cholesterol, how the reading? Border or high or normal?
Just moderate. Maybe I can't remember HDL. I think a bit in the high range, but still within the normal.
All
And
right.
then the worst part is about the high blood pressure because of the stressness. It's still considered a bit high, but it's not to the high that have to eat the medicine.
All right. How the highest point usually the blood pressure have been?
1 3 something, and then about the DIA is about 90,
All right.
92, 93, 96.
That during what time usually you take it? Right. During rest.
The one is during the health screening,
All
but
right.
then somehow eh, I don't really measure very frequent.
All right. It's okay. All right. For in terms of yes, the healthy one is should be one to something, right? But actually,
128, I
yes.
think below 130 is the
Mm-mm.
best, and for the BIA it should be like below 90.
Mm-mm.
It's more healthy, right?
All right. But I remember
Because of
when
some.
my VIP, yeah, I sharing with you my experience when I was
Mm,
around the billionaire. Actually, daily he will take the blood pressure. His blood pressure also something like that, 1 3 something. But usually when I try to research and even I try to use AI, and but basically around that age, he 38, so you 39. Basically, the blood pressure around 1 3 something, 90 something, should be okay lah. Should be okay. For the condition, your condition and him condition, for me actually not really not really need to be really concerned lah. Basically, at your age and border 40, from my perspective and what I
mm,
said to him lah. I'm not a medical doctor, but basically, not should
mm,
be or worry too much lah. So
mm,
even me also, I last time I was a police officer, but I already resigned from the Malaysian police. But when I was not really doing the exercise, also my blood pressure also something early 130 something. That's basically not really. to be worried about lah. Basically, that's from my understanding and my research lah. And
Okay.
and then that's good. That's great that you already has done annually the blood pressure one, the blood test one, and
Mm.
the total cholesterol how normal also for something 5.
Within a normal range. I
All
don't
right.
remember it's within a normal range. Just like a high in I can't remember it's HDL or LDL, but it's still within a normal range.
All
Mm.
right. That's great. That's
Mm.
great. So basically, I just later I will show to you the how to have the healthy plate diet. But basically, I just regarding the total cholesterol. Basically, when you are talking about the how to lower the HDL and total cholesterol something like that. Basically, the main focus we are trying to deal is with the cooking method itself. Try to avoid the deep fry method. We improve in terms of steam or roasted,
Mm.
some sort like
Mm.
that lah. Even
Mm.
even uh, let me let let's say like me when I'm notching my VIP to eat in Singapore usually many
Mm.
chicken rice chicken rice shop, right? So basically I usually buy at the Maxwell or Amoy street food court.
Mm.
Usually there I will buy the nasi ayam, the chicken rice, and then basically we try to um, reduce the portion of the rice, and then the skin we try to remove, but the salad we try to improve. So we try to uh, some modification in our food. Basically the
Mm.
idea is like that lah. We try to modify the food, how to get it healthier in terms of portion. Later I will show you. uh, and then regarding the diet itself,
Mm.
have you has any knowledge about the diet, how basically before this, how you have any information, basic information regarding diet, or how the understanding?
Okay. My understanding for the protein part is just like as much as your palm for the every meal,
All right.
and change your. Then I used to change my carbs to like sweet potato or potato instead of like normal rice,
All
and
right.
to be have a two portion of the veg for your diet meal. Yeah, I try to doing that, but then somehow because of the stress on work or life, I like to snack. It's
Understand.
a very bad habit for me.
All
Yeah,
right.
and I don't really move, so it's very easy for me to bounce back the weight. Yeah.
Understand. Usually how your snacking itself during supper, how?
Supper, not really. I
All
try
right.
to sleep earlier,
All right.
by 11, but sometimes stress, I can't really sleep well. And the snack will be like around daytime, potato chip, chocolate. Yeah,
Understand.
yeah.
Understand. So regarding the snacking itself, okay, we know that the main meal should be the breakfast, the lunch, and the dinner, right? So yes,
Yeah.
some people also they are quite good at having this main meal, the portion itself, but sometimes they are losing at the snacking, right? But it's
Mm.
okay. When I'm try to teach my client regarding the have the healthy eating diet. Yes, you
Mm.
know the trendy diet like ketogenic diet,
Mm.
the
Mm.
vegan diet or intermittent fasting. Yes, correct. In terms of the modern science itself, there are many benefit, many research that
Mm.
that really prove them right. Correct. So, but
Mm.
the thing is,
Mm.
we are the normal human being. Like even me, even me. Wait, even me, last time uh I was in the special force one in police, like a commando, some stuff like that. But the thing is, we are not playing around with something that really advanced in science one, but we are human being that we want to make something really practical in our daily life. That's the main part. We can have any idea of the modern science, we can bring any theoretical, but the things is how our in any situation we actually can practical, um, we can practical what the healthy plate itself. So the main thing is, even though we have the basic one, okay, like the healthy plate one, but if we has discipline, if we have consistency, and you believe that it will be possible, if with the literature, with the science that back up the basic science itself, actually we are able to lose weight and improve our uh, health itself. So I will present my slide. Okay, so wait, madam.
Mm.
Can you see my slide here, madam? Kelly?
Oh, yes.
All right.
Yes.
So how, Kelly? Have you hear about this before? The healthy plate one, half
Mm.
quarter plate. I
Yeah.
be- how the journey implying it? You mentioned before you already tried, right?
I try to having my meal in this way as much as I can. Yeah,
All right, all right.
but not all the time. Yes.
All right. Okay, Kelly. Basically,
Mm.
for today consultation, okay, it's actually 30 minutes, but it's okay if longer a little bit. Basically,
Yeah,
to,
sorry. Mm.
today I will try to emphasize first regarding this. I know this is the for most people who already know about nutrition diet, they will say that this is the basic part. But the thing is, this, although this is the basic, but it's for me, for my experience with my client, this is the first step for us before we achieve to the advanced diet. Because why? Okay, because once we already have the idea around this fundamental part, once at a time when we start the advanced diet like keto, vegan, or intermittent, something like that, actually sometimes when we get at the advanced and complex diet like that, sometimes we will burn out. uh, Sometimes we will stress, we burn out. Because why? Because there is many part that we want to tackle if we go to
Mm.
the advanced diet one. So sometimes some people able to adapt with that certain diet, that trendy diet, but sometimes everybody have different metabolism, different lifestyle. So that's the subjective part one. Sometimes we unable to tackle how to make it correct, which part that we want to make it some changes. So when
Mm.
we don't have the fundamental part, the basic one, core part one, sometimes if we simply jump to the advanced diet, we will get stuck, we will burn out. So when that's happened, we don't know how to restart again, we don't know how to step back, and then we'll leave the healthy diet, we will start having the bad habit again. So basically, why I try to emphasize again, although you might have already familiar with this, the thing is, this is habit, and from my experience, this is, if we have discipline, if we have consistency, I'm pretty sure that we are able to, you are able to reduce weight little by little, but consistent, and make you happy. The most important part, Kelly, the most important part when you are having a diet, make sure you are happy. Okay. Yes, I understand. I'm also a human being that I love to eat chocolate. As long as you are happy, yes, you can eat it. Don't make it stress. Oh, I'm on diet, I don't want to take it. No, don't make it a stress one. If you want to eat, yes, you can eat, but try to reduce it, try to control it. we take the what we are happy for snacking just for satisfy our craving. So the idea like that lah. So why I this half quarter plate is basic but crucial, because why? Because basically in the WHO guideline, okay, this idea have been adapt since around 20 30 years, uh, 20 30 years ago. But in terms of the practicality itself for the general population, basically this is the most simple but practical part in any situation. So I also have been seeing it. So basically it's proven from my from what I'm view lah. So let's say Kelly, when I was in a Malaysian police officer for 9 month recruitment, okay,
Okay.
basically when we are officer, at the first day of our recruitment, we have variety of weight. Everybody, even male, woman, sometimes the heaviest one could be 100 kilogram, even 90 kilogram. When I was entering the police recruitment, my weight is 66. Basically, I'm among the lighter one lah. But at the end of the recruitment, after 9 months, okay, basically in the in our daily eating hall, we will be served with the same portion like the figure here. Half
Okay.
of the plate should be the green vegetables, quarter of the plate is the carbs, rice or bread or anything like that, and the quarter one is the protein itself. So we have been we are not being trained about, we not being teach about the science, we have nothing to do with the science itself. But that's the procedure how the military and the government sponsoring us to have this, basically the healthy the healthy plate itself. Basically that's the default ones lah. So basically they don't implement any science in that. But I can see as a dietetic and nutritionist student during my degree, I can see basically they're implementing this idea of healthy plate itself. But when we have the breakfast, lunch, dinner with this portion, and then small portion of snacking, I can see it at the end of our 9 month recruitment. I can see that almost everyone, almost everybody able to reduce the weight uh, up to 9 to 20 kilogram. Even me myself, I was able to reduce my weight 66 up to 94 kilograms. So I'm the lowest one, which is 4 kilo. But I can see my main differences is the body weight itself. My body weight, because I'm last time I was a dietetic student, so I remember that before, a day before I start register for the recruitment, I go to the diet clinic. I said to my friend, I want to have the body fat diet, so body fat mass. So I can see that before the recruitment, my body weight is 16%. But after I finish my recruitment, it's reduced up to the final one is 7%. So I able to read, although my reduction in terms of weight is 4 kilos, but I can see my reduction in body fat able to reduce up to 11%. So I meaning that I able to change my body fat percent to the muscle percent. So I can see here, yes, correct, we have been trained vigorously, the training itself, the jogging, the running. But I can see that, I can see, madam, that's not the main part. That's not the main part that make us really change in terms of weight. Because why? I can see that beside of my bed, actually, the notice and laziest person is my friend beside my bed. Okay, he is the one who really lazy to run, lazy one to jogging. So everyone really hate him because he make us uh, being punished because he's really lazy to run really hard. So, but I can see, although he's the laziest one in terms of exercise, he also eat the same portion of what we eat uh, at the hall. So at the end of the 9 month, I can see that he also able to reduce his weight around 5 kilos, because his weight is around 90 something. So basically he should be able to reduce around 15 or 12 like the other person, but he has the lowest body reduction. He is only able to 5%, but the thing is he also able to uh, reduce his weight because he take the portion like all of us being able to take it. So I can see from my side itself, I can emphasize, yes, although this is really basic one, okay, but if we have consistency, we have discipline, I believe that you are able to reduce your weight itself. So why this is important to has the try to have this basic one first, because why? Because when we are start with advanced diet itself, like keto and anything like that, sometimes our burden is more stressful for us to make it really happen. But when you have like this one, you for me, it's important for you to enjoy your journey. Don't make it stressful. Let's say you are being stressed, it's okay. It's okay for you to have some cheat days, but always remember, always have some instinct or thought on your mind to have, okay, let's say for now my diet itself not really good, make sure later I will have the idea of or instinct to make it healthier in the next meal. So just makes it the makes it like a habit one. Because me, although I'm a nutritionist, I'm a dietitian, I also don't we don't calorie count. We don't really Google any healthy food. No, we don't simply do like that. Actually, if we make it slow by slow, have little by little understanding, the most important part is actually when we go outside, if we are able to see from our mind, from our instinct in 5 seconds up to 10 seconds, go to any shop and then we know what to eat, have the great portion. So just quick make a food choice. That's the best part lah. So that's the most practical one. So I hope you get my idea lah, what I try to voice out here. So I hope you understand.
You ask me to be more consistent, although there's some cheat day for me.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct, correct,
So to be consistent, then I will achieve my target lah.
correct. Enjoy the life, because we don't want to. Let's say, Kelly, when we see the like a professional athlete and any uh, professional athlete worldwide, I can see that sometimes they start with the bigger one. Yes, correct. They have the right body types. Their body really ideal. But the thing is, after 5 years, they stop it. They stop the vegan one because they are maybe stressful. I don't know. But the thing is, they stop it. We don't want like that. As long as we have the basic core fundamental one, if we are able to have good moral 10 years, 30 years, short our years, that's the best part one lah. Uh, this might be one of consultation, and madam, you may be pay really low in terms of money itself. So but for me, as long as you are remember what I'm trying to say, that's the most important part. That's you can practice throughout your life. Because like my VIP, my boss itself, he spent around in Malaysian one, like in Singapore one, like 100,000 for the best diet lifestyle he able to achieve, because he don't have any limitation in terms of money. So he go to that part. For 3 months he pay around 100,000 Singapore dollar. But because his target want to avoid cancer like his father, because his father having cancer, so he lost millions and millions of money. So that part we can see, actually 100,000 for 3 months subscribe is a small one, because he try to avoid instead of cure. But for you, let's say I teach the basic one with this one of consumption, but you try to improve the knowledge little by little, try to modify, you have the intention throughout your daily life. I believe that you also will be able to have your healthy life throughout your journey without any money spent too much. The thing is always improve little by little in terms of the knowledge itself. So okay, I'm talking too much. So basically, madam, half of the plate itself should be green veggies, green vegetables. So basically for me, the green vegetables, it doesn't matter much lah whether you want to even the fried one also okay. Basically, as long as you are taking green vegetables, that's good for you. Because why? Because they are lacking with calories. Okay, although we are taking half of the plate is green vegetables, actually they are almost zero, very little in terms of calories itself. But they are the main part which make us feel satisfied, feel fulfilled. Because why? Because they are full with fiber. So basically fiber makes us much easier to fulfill lah. So that's the ideal one. So carbohydrate itself, we need try to reduce it. Also carbs, when we talk about carbohydrate, also the starchy vegetables, we only takes one quarter of the plate itself. You mentioned before that you are trying on the starchy vegetables one, right? uh, yes, correct. They are also high in fiber one. But the thing is, let's say you think that the portion of the plate itself starchy vegetable, you try to convert it from the rice, you feel it's a little bit stressful. It's okay for you to have the rice. Okay, maybe you can try to adapt with the uh, brown rice, change it like that lah. So as long as you're happy, that's good one lah. So try to make the portion of the rice itself, the cups of or the bread or the noodles like that, make it quarter only. So protein, okay, protein also quarter itself lah, of the plate itself. But when we are talking about losing weight, actually the most important part to reduce is the carb itself lah. In terms of the protein itself, it's okay if you have a little bit more, it's okay lah. Also protein also have good in terms of make us satisfied also. And then okay, this is the healthy plate. In terms of the drink itself, yes, we try to optimize plain water. Okay, we try to reduce sweet drinks. Let's say you want to have some craving satisfaction with sweet drink. Also like me also really love to eat sweet drinks. Basically what I did, basically I try to eat as much of plain water first that I could. Usually I finish a glass or a cup, and then if I want to drink sweet drinks, I will take a few sips, a few of the sweet drink. So meaning I try to cover much of the my drinking is plain water, but the end I try to satisfy my craving with a few sips of the teh ice or tea ice or coffee, some sort like that lah. So meaning I feel uh, fulfilled because most of the drink is the plain water, but at the end I satisfied my craving with the end sips of the sweet drinks. That's my hacking way lah to optimize my drinks. Uh, so I'm covering that, and then okay, the portion itself I already covered. The time consistency, okay. Many people might think that it's okay not to have the consistency in times, but the thing is, when we are start our journey in diet, Kelly, it's important also lah for us to have the consistent uh, meal timing. Let's say like I like to bring my recruitment experience one, because we was trained to have uh, breakfast at 8 a.m. and then lunch at 12 a.m. and dinner like at 6 p.m. The thing is, Miss, although we are finish our training, we finish our lecture earlier, 1 hour earlier, so we are really happy to go to the eating hall earlier. But the thing is, as long as the time is not 12 afternoon, we need to wait outside of the hall under the sun. We need to wait until the time is 12 afternoon. So meaning, although we finish our lecture earlier, it doesn't mean we can eat earlier. We still need to punctual at 12 afternoon. So you can see, if we have the consistency in time combined with the consistency right portion itself, that's the best part that I can see that we are able to reduce weight. Although this is just the basic one, we don't do any trendy advanced diet one. I can see that's the good combination. Why? Because once we able to have a consistent time, let's say you are having any snacking, inconsistent snacking, you when you are stressed, we don't see what the time of snacking. So during that time we can see the fixed variable one is the time consuming consistent. So we know that's main part that we know what we can control and any sort like that. So when we have a consistent meal timing, so that's much easier for us to see any checklist whether we do something wrong in our diet during that day, what make our eating habit might be wrong during that day. So we are much easier to playing around like that lah if we have consistent meal timing itself. So let's say we simply eat any time that we feel hungry, so it's much harder for us to see what we might be able to control. So I hope you understand lah what I try to deliver here. Okay, Kelly, and last part one regarding the exercise itself. Yes, the most important part, Kelly. Uh, as long for me, my principle always we do little by little. As long as you are happy, don't make it as sometimes we are really happy, we make it vigorous exercise and then we are injured. No, we don't do like that lah. As long as we are happy, little also we satisfied with that. We don't go push beyond our limit itself lah. So, because once we are injured, you also experience it, like we will rest throughout the weeks, throughout the months, and then we want to restart back our momentum. We start back from little by little. So that's really hard, because I can see from my experience also, uh, actually the best part to have diet itself, the best part to have the diet itself is actually by combine it with the exercise. Meaning, let's say throughout the week we don't do exercise, actually it will automatically, our awareness for the having healthy diet during that day also will be really low. But if we exercise during that day, we can see automatically we will have the awareness to have healthier plate in our daily eating. Also, the drinking water itself intake also we will improve lah. So if you are able to uh, make it a routine, good routine, that's the best part in the with the exercise, and then you will automatically have the awareness to improve your eating diet throughout the daily eating lah. So I hope I'm covering all the important part. Okay, always enjoy with this journey, don't make it stressful. Okay, Kelly, from myself lah, this is my personal perspective lah, Kelly. Just I hope this really helpful. Last time, yes, people, many people blaming why I resign from my police officer job, although I'm already in special force. I'm around the prime minister one. But the thing is, I resign because I don't enjoy my job life balance. Like now, yes, correct, my money not really consistent, although sometimes I around the billionaire itself. But when there is no job, sometimes I also then have much money. But the thing is, we might be stressful with our job itself, right? The thing is, at the end of the day, job is something that is optional. From my perspective, it is optional. If we are really much stressful, okay, at the end of the day, we are able to resign within 24 hours, and then that job will give to the other people. Tomorrow we are able to search for the new job, and we will able to have the new one, so will not stressful. But when we're talking about health, once we ignore it, maybe uh, here like now you have the curiosity about to have the healthy diet, but once you try to ignore it, maybe you will deny it for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. The thing is, our health don't compromise with us, meaning if we don't really take care of our health, our inner body will simply get worse and worse and worse. So meaning after 10 years, during that day, we think, oh, I want to back to diet itself. No, during that time, our inner body already get worse. We cannot simply say to our body, please stop a little bit, pause a little bit, I want to focus on our job. No, they won't be like that. The thing is, the main part, always remember, yes, we are stressed with our jobs. Everybody has stress with idea. The thing is, at the end of the day, it is still optional, and that's not really much important, as much important the health to ourselves. Also the family itself also important for us. As long as you can see the priorities, that one, always remember to have the, although we cannot simply do all good in our diet, as long as we can uh, little by little, that the best part lah. So I hope I give you some sort of motivation. Don't lose any your moral to lose weight. Try to uh, get around having exercise. Make it a healthy habit. It doesn't matter whether you try with contours or any gym. I hope you able to get some from my advisors lah. So I hope and believe what I try to tell to you is really much good if you practice it throughout your life lah. So I hope that's helpful lah. So if you have any question, you may ask me now, Kelly.
No, but thanks for sharing and encouraging me to continue stay healthy as much as I can. So yeah, I totally agree with what you saying earlier. Health is more important.
All right.
Yeah. Mm.
And last one, Kelly. I don't. This is from my side lah. Sometimes, like me, although I'm a, when I talking about my previous job, although I'm a special force one, sometimes when I'm going outside, I'm going exercise in front of the other people who are doing casual running uh, competition. Like me, I don't go to any competition. Sometimes my way of running or jogging also, some people, my friends are laughing at me. They are saying my running style is like an old people one, but I don't care what people want to say, as long as, because my pride of my previous experience, I am able to, although I'm running like an old man, but I'm able to have a really good mental up to the special force one. I think I'm still winning lah. But the thing is, I also, when going outside, when there is many people who have better body shape, sometimes I also feel a little bit demotivated. But the thing is, we try to ignore it. It doesn't matter. We people laughing at us. We don't make it demoralize our moral to go outside and running or doing any exercise. Doesn't matter what people say, as long as we able to happy, consistent. Someday we will able to prove them, and that's you start believe in yourself lah. So that's my personal motivation lah. So that's it. Thank you so much, Kelly, for having me also for this session.
Thank
Thank you.
you very much for your sharing.
All right.
Mm.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks for your time also.
All right. Okay. Bye.
Bye.